Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this core workout. We won't need any equipment for today, and as always, we'll do 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's get started with 40 seconds of a boat hold with upper body twists. So sit on your sit bones, sit halfway back, belly button squeezed towards your spine, and turn your upper body only, keeping both sit bones on the floor. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Have a quick 10-second breather. And next we have leg lowers. Option to put your hand underneath your seat so that you don't lift your back off the floor. If you don't want to have your hands underneath your seat, still don't lift your back off the floor. Our back is going to stay in contact with the floor the entire time. I'd rather you not lower your legs as low. Go nice and slow, then lower your legs and lift your back. Core is engaged, belly button to spine, back is flat on the floor as we lower the legs. Keep going, 25 more seconds. And finishing the last one, go ahead and take a quick 10-second breather. And next we're going to prop ourselves halfway up onto our elbows. Keeping our legs lifted off the floor, we're going to lower one leg down to the floor and lift it back up. Belly button is once again connected to spine, back is flat. Open up those shoulders and make sure you're not arching your spine as you lower your legs. Keep going for 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We have bear crawl to a high plank next. So take another 5 seconds to breathe and switch it up to go to your high plank. Again, in our bear crawl, we're still connecting our belly button to our spine as you bring your feet in. Knees are underneath your hips in a bear crawl, and then you walk backwards into a plank, keeping your toes tucked, keeping your belly button moving towards your spine. Shoulders stay stable on top of your wrists. If this bothers your wrists, feel free to do a half plank on your elbows. Keep going for 23 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, we've done this one lots in my exercises before. So if you've done the videos with me, you will know this one. We have reverse sit-ups in a butterfly position. So toes touching, bring the elbows to the knees on the exhale. Inhale, touch the toes to the floor. Exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, touch the toes to the floor. Once again, back is flat on the floor and try to slightly lift your seat off the floor when you come to this crunch position. Keep going for 25 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. For the next one, same idea here. Back is going to stay flat along the floor. Hands are underneath our head. Legs are lifted perpendicular from the floor, so toes above hips. Turn your legs out to a first position. Bring your opposite elbow to your knee as you cross to fourth. Bring it back to first, and then do the other side. Same thing. So from first to fourth, opposite elbow goes to opposite knee. Bring it back through first. Opposite elbow goes to the other knee in your other fourth, keeping your legs externally rotated the entire time, and your upper back is also lifted. 20 more seconds. Keep going. And relax. Last but not least, we have a low side plank with upper body twists. So go ahead, get ready on a side plank, lift your arm up off the floor, and then you're going to twist the upper body to thread your arms in between your elbow and your feet, and then lift it up again. We do 20 seconds on each side. Keep going. 4, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and switch sides. Same thing, second side. Keep going. Finishing in 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful work today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.